Imagine you're facing a problem where you have lists of patient IDs, both local and remote, and a list of archive files. The task at hand is to identify and extract only the archive files that correspond to remote patient IDs not present in the local list. This can be quite a common scenario in a database management situation. Moving on to the solution, the key lies in utilizing a HashSet to efficiently compare the remote and local patient IDs. By creating a HashSet of the different IDs between remote and local lists, you can easily check for matches. Additionally, a regular expression is employed to extract the patient ID from the file names in the archive files. This allows for a targeted approach to identifying the specific files that need to be extracted. The resulting code filters the archive files using the extracted IDs in the HashSet, ensuring that only the relevant files are selected for extraction. By following this approach, you can streamline the process of identifying and extracting the necessary files without unnecessary complications or errors. In summary, by employing HashSet and regular expressions, you can effectively identify and extract the required archive files based on the distinct patient IDs. This method optimizes the process and ensures that only the relevant files are processed, enhancing efficiency and accuracy. So, if you're facing a similar challenge, give this approach a try and simplify your data management tasks. And remember, in the world of coding, efficiency is key.